how to not have a Bitmoji on Snapchat, or in other words, how to delete it. So first of all, we need to open our Snapchat, okay? And we're gonna click at the top left right here, and you will see this is my Bitmoji, all right, and all that. So I'm gonna click at the top right, the settings gear, and I'm gonna scroll a little bit down until I find under the Snapchat plus the Bitmoji. And here it says 3 options: change my outfit, edit my Bitmoji, choose a selfie, and you will see a little like option called remove my Bitmoji. Since our aim is to remove Bitmoji from our Snapchat, we're gonna just click remove Bitmoji and we're gonna just hit remove. But if you want to leave Bitmoji for maybe some friends to know about, you're gonna just head back right here, and we're gonna just scroll a little bit down, and you will see right here use my Bitmoji avatar at additional service section. So I'm gonna click on it, and you can just keep it private, so only you can see your own Bitmoji. But if you want friends to see it after they add you and you approve them, you're gonna just leave it at friends. Let me know in the comments if this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.